Yeah. So Microsoft Power Apps let you to build the apps very easily, even though you no need to know the code, and there is no need to know the code and no need to know the programming languages. Microsoft Power Apps will help you to build the apps which are more user friendly, and this way it will be helpful for your business. So this is a brief introduction of Microsoft Power Apps, and let's jump into it and know how the Microsoft Power App works and how we can build apps from it. Let's get deeper into that. Yeah. Power Apps provides a rapid low-code development environment for building custom apps for business needs. It has services, connectors, and a scalable data service and app platform Microsoft Dataworks to allow simple integration and interaction with existing data. Power Apps enables the creation of web and mobile applications that run on all devices. People use apps for every area of their lives, and business should be of no exception. Most out-of-the-box solutions do not meet exact business needs or integrate well with other business programs. Power Apps eases users into app development with a simple interface so that every business or pro developer can build custom apps. Yep, Power Apps primarily focus on creating apps which is helpful for our business, and for that creating apps it uses a platform known as Microsoft Dataverse. See the second line, it has services, connectors, and a scalable data service and app platform Microsoft Dataverse to allow simple integration and interaction with existing data. That's it. Now coming to Power Automate. So I'll give a brief about Power Automate. Power Automate, by the name itself, it will automate the works, not the hectic works. It will automate the simple works. Suppose you have to do a regular work, a repetitive work every day at 8 a.m. You have to log into your ID and you have to check the attendance. So this process you have to do for every day whenever you come to the office, and you have to daily send a mail. You have to, whatever is the daily works, whatever the repetitive works you can do, you can automate it by using Power Automate. So it will reduce the time for those works which are repetitive and are time taking. For that thing you can use Microsoft Power Automate. Power Automate is here. Power Automate lets users create automated workflows between applications and services. It helps automate repetitive business processes such as communication, data collections, and decision approvals. Don't waste important productive hours on drafting the same email for a weekly update or walking approvals through. Not only for the individual user, Power Automate allows for the creation of enterprise-grade process automation. Power Automate's simple interface allows every level of user to automate work tasks from beginners to seasoned developers. So that's it about Power Automate. So the basic and the idea of Power Automate is to reduce the time and simplify the work by creating automatic workflow. See here, not only for the individual user, Power Automate allows for creation of enterprise-grade process automation. It allows every level of user to automate work tasks from beginners to seasoned developers. Anyone can use it. Yeah. Coming to Power BI. So Power BI is nothing but Power Business Intelligence. So we can say that it is a competitor for Tableau, which is most famous for visualization of data. So Power BI is advanced version of visualization data. So if you run a business, if you want to compare the profits and sales of different regions in a different cities for a different cities in a country, so you can directly use Power BI. It will create maps, it will create insights, it will create graphs, whatever it may be. So if you want to compare the data, if you want to compare the statistics of different regions, so there is nothing good or nothing better than Power BI. Okay, yeah. So coming back to the theoretical part, Power BI is a business analytics service that delivers insights for analyzing data. It can share those insights through data visualizations, which make up reports and dashboards to enable fast, informed decisions. Power BI scales across an organization, and it has built-in governance and security, allowing businesses to focus on using data more than managing it. You can consider Power BI as the analysis and insights leg of Microsoft Power Platform. This point is very important. Power BI can be considered as analysis and insights leg of Microsoft Power Platform. It takes business data and allows you to display in it ways that makes the most sense to users. So when you have a tabular data, so it is not easy to compare the statistics, or it is not easy to find which is largest, which is smallest, and which region is performing better. So the data which is in tabular form is not easy for users to identify, or business owners to identify, or to compare the different regions profits or sales. So that we can use Power BI, and it is one of the best software that will give you the comparison, that will give you the insights, whatever it may be, comparison, highest point, lowest point, different countries profits, etc. You can create dashboards. Those are outstanding. You can create outstanding dashboards. A Power BI dashboard could be potentially replace a standing meeting to report out company metrics such as sales data, progress against goals, or employee performance. It's all about Power BI. And Power Virtual Agents, yeah. But the logo itself, Power Virtual Agents, are virtual agents. That means if you're creating your own website, if you're creating your business website, so if you want to interact the first time user, those who log into the website, so every time it is not easy to employ a person, and so to hire them. So so this Power Virtual Agents allow us to create a automatic chatbot, so that we can directly interact with the customers. So it allows us to create chatbots more easily, so there is no need to recruit a data scientist or data engineer or some other person for this type of things. See here, Power Virtual Agents enables anyone to create powerful chatbots using a guided no-code graphical interface without the need for data scientists or developers. It minimizes the IT effort required to deploy and maintain a custom solution by empowering subject matter experts to build and maintain their own conversational solutions. Power Virtual Agents is part of Microsoft Power Platform. Therefore, integration into existing systems is streamlined without out-of-the-box integration with Power Automate and its ecosystems of hundreds of connectors. That means he's trying to say that it is not as tough as to integrate, because they are all connected. Microsoft Power Platform can all apps, like let it be apps or a Power BI or automated or the virtual agent. So these are all interlinked. So it is not a hectic task. It is rather it is an easy task to integrate all of them. Users can enable chatbots to perform an action by simply calling a Power Automate flow. Flows help users automate activities or call back-end systems. Users can utilize existing flows that have been created in the Power Apps environment, or they can create a flow within Power Virtual Agents authoring canvas. Features. Among the programs listed above, there are cross-cutting features which enable Microsoft Power Platform to be leveraged to full potential. The features of Microsoft Power Platform are outstanding, so they are comparable to no one. Yeah. The first feature is AI Builder. You can directly link the artificial intelligence concepts to Power Apps. While building them, you can directly link this artificial intelligence concept to Power Apps, and you can bring that AI concepts. Okay, see here. Artificial Intelligence Builder lets users and developers add AI capabilities to the workflows and Power Apps they create and use. AI Builder is a turnkey solution that allows you to easily add intelligence to your workflows and apps and predict outcomes to help improve business performance without writing code. So that is the thing here. You can see the second point, the AI builds turnkey solution. That means it plays an important role that allows you to easily add intelligence to your workflows and apps. And second thing is Dataworks. The two main features are, one is AI Builder and second thing is Dataworks, and third thing are connectors. So these three are important, and I told you already Microsoft Dataworks is a platform which we use to create Microsoft apps. See here, it is a platform. Microsoft Dataworks is a scalable data service and app platform which lets users securely store and manage data from multiple sources and integrate the data in business applications using a common data model to ensure ease and consistency to users. If you want to store the data, if you want to manipulate the data, if you want to hide the data, so whatever it may be related to data, so the first thing comes into our mind is nothing but Microsoft Dataworks. So we can store the data, we can manage the data, and we can manipulate the data. Yeah, see here, Microsoft Dataworks is a common currency that enables the components of Microsoft Power Platform to work together. It's the foundation that enables the consolidation, display, and manipulation of data. Okay, in a simple words, we can say that it's a data service and app platform wherein which we can create the apps, and also we can store the data, manage the data, and manipulate the data. Yeah, coming to the most important thing after the AI builder